So I'm here for building material. My builder advised that we have to use crusher run since it works as 2-in-1, 3/4 stone as well as river sand. I'm more than excited because nandichitotya kuti akomana unogona kuzonzika munhu wekuziva upiwa zvinhu zvakadhakwa, but I'm really happy kuti you have delivered as per my expectations. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. So there's someone who said, Tari, you're being too forward. As you're being too forward, guys, you know, I don't know how to explain this. There's this excitement that comes with knowing that I've got my own piece of land, knowing that no matter how small it is, it's mine, it belongs to me. There's no hurry in Africa. Knowing that this is mine. So at times it's not being too forward, but it's just me being excited. Because for those who have been following me on this channel, who have been following my journey, I'm sure you know where we came from, how we started, what we wanted to achieve, and this is exactly what I wanted. And I believe I'm actually living in my dream right now. So when you see me happy, please just be happy with me, just be happy for me, and let's all be excited. I've been moving around other people's properties, other people's places, trying to inspire others and also trying to find inspiration for myself. And trust me, even though I've started this journey for myself and for my family, this journey with my family, I know for sure that we are not going to stop finding inspiration as well from other people's properties, from other people's stories and stuff. We are definitely going to do that. So please just be happy for me. I'm not being too forward, but I'm just excited, and let me live in that bubble of excitement and just be there and be happy for me. So I think why that person was saying I'm being too forward, it's because I've been trying to share with you each and every stage what's happening, because I know that each and everything that I'm sharing, it's also going to benefit someone. There's someone out there who doesn't even know where to start, how to do it, but with everything that I will be sharing, it's going to definitely assist someone. So if you don't find inspiration in that, you just have to skip the videos. But there are people who find inspiration and other people who are genuinely happy for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. So today I'm here in Spitzko Park. You know, nowadays I think this is going to be my home for I don't know how many days. So there was material that was being delivered here. So there's material which was being delivered on site. We have got bricks. We managed to buy about 15,000 bricks. And remember the last time I showed you guys going to order some bricks from Zimbabwe, Africa, because we wanted to see the kind of brick that we need. So guys, like I mentioned, our plan is yet to be approved. We finalized everything on the plan. So yeah, we're just waiting for the Lingate team to call us. We go collect our plan, then we go to the Shimba Road District Council, then make our plan approved. So in the meantime, as we are waiting for the plan to be approved, we just thought it's best we buy material shoma. Remember, if we try kuzvita zveseka one, at times it might be too much for us, or the pressure will just be too much for us. So right now we are trying to buy material bit by bit. Why? Because we are using the drawings from the architect, because remember everything is finalized, all the drawings are up. So we are just using that plan, those drawings to buy material. So let me just read it out for you what our builder said. Our plan is 198. It's now on 198 square meters floor area. Our builder akati ari kutipa in stages the foundation, up to slab level, then also tipa brickwork, so for superstructure shingodaro, so that we just have rough estimates. So according to the information that I got from our builder, he recommended for now we work with about 15,000 bricks, and the 15,000 bricks are now on site. So we just tried kutitengogara tatenga ese. So it's plus or minus 15,000. So maybe we might use 15,000 for the foundation, or maybe we might use less. But with how I'm seeing, most of the foundations are quite here in this area. They are around 1 meter or 1.2 meters deep. So we don't know. Maybe it's the same case with us. In some other foundations, they are doing the just to reinforcement, something like that, before their foundation. So it might be the same for us, or it might not be the same. We don't know. If it's the same, we are just preparing ourselves to say, maybe if the engineer says, or maybe if they say we need to have steel, we just buy steel. But if it's not the case, then we just continue. But if it's not the case, I think we are just going to try and have Simbi, because even the soil type is very loose. Let me show you. It's very, very, very loose. So you see, it's more like pit sand. You see, it's so fine. Very, very fine. That's why you see most of the foundations which are being dug this side, they are that deep. So yeah, that's the challenge that we have. So my first delivery of bricks, Yashika. This is from Shumba, Africa. So the first batch, it's 5,000. Munomu, they only allow 5,000. Kuti ipinde. So, okay. So we ordered 15,000. So it's a long way to go. So guys, I think you still remember the last video ratakaita tiri ku plant ye kuna na Shumba ya Africa tichiita order ya ma bricks. So today I'm really excited kuti va deliver ma bricks angu. We ordered 15,000, waiting for the other 10,000 bricks to be delivered. Thank you so much.
Okay. Murungo suonero guys. Nasi tinawo Sis Tari Mac. Tauya ne ma bricks awo magawana vari kusite vachichuza zvavari kuda. Zvamachuza nezvakauyere.
I'm more than excited because nandichitotya kuti akomana unogona kuzonzika munhu wekuziva upiwa zvinhu zvakadhakwa, but I'm really happy kuti you have delivered as per my expectations. And for the 3/4 stone, we are looking at 3/4 stone about 30 cubic, as well as river sand about 30 cubic. But in this case, our builder also encouraged us to use what they call crusher run. It's mixed, it's 2-in-1. River sand and 3/4 stone. And why we now chose to have crusher run, it's because it's kind of cheaper as compared to 3/4 stone on its own and river sand on its own. So in this case, we just said let's buy around 30 cubic for now, because our stands, they're a bit small as well, so we don't have much space for us to use. So what happened is, we found our neighbor who is on the opposite side, who allowed us to use their stand here in their husband. They allowed us to use their stand, so that's where we are storing some other material like the crusher run as well as the gravel. Today I'm here at LLH for quarry stone. I'm sure you can see even with the gear that I'm wearing. So I'm here for building material. My builder advised that we have to use crusher run since it works as 2-in-1, 3/4 stone as well as river sand. I don't know what is happening with river sand from this side, but the builders, they are complaining that it's not quality river sand, it's not up to standard. So we are just going to use crusher run. So yeah, this is where we are and this is what we want to do. LLH hands kumatombo. Because yeah, let me turn my camera. You see, it's building material everywhere. So what they do is they specialize in 3/4 stone, crusher run, quarry dust, and so forth. Yeah, so it's a lot of stuff. So for our own site, they allow only 10 cubic. So for 10 cubic, transport only is charging $45 local. He charged me $45 local delivery. Then you see. Then what else? For the crusher run, it's $15 per cubic. So yeah, I think it's quite affordable, and we bought around 30 cubic, so he's going to do 3 trips. Then maybe we'll add as time goes on. So let me look for my driver. I'm going to start a motor in a green and white. Alright, it's okay. Alright, thank you. So this is where the crusher run is. So yeah. So this is the car, and this is for delivery. It's a 10 cubic vehicle. So our crusher run is now on site, as well as gravel. So gravel, it's 60 cubic meters on site. Then crusher run, it's 30 cubic on site. So like I said, our builder encouraged us to buy crusher run, because it's 2-in-1 plus 4. In terms of cost, it's kind of affordable. Rangarenan is compared to river sand. Kutenga river sand and 3/4 stone. So yeah. Remember, I told you the gravel, it was a bargain for us because it was very, very, very affordable. I don't know where it was coming from, but almost everyone who is buying this side, they are buying that gravel because it's very, very affordable. Normal prices for gravel, it's around $140 per 10 cubic, but that one, it was way affordable. Per 20 cubic, some they were buying it around $80 per cubic. Some, yeah, shungwendrana nekuti wa wana say, but it was affordable for most people in this community. Then pit sand, pit sand about 20 cubic. For pit sand, we haven't done any quotations yet, but we'll look into it. We'll do the quotations maybe later, because he just said you have to buy it, but it's not for now, maybe at later stages, so I don't know. Then also 110 bags of cement. 110 bags of cement, but we was also saying, since most of the houses that is working on this side, yeah, the foundations, they are requiring more cement, especially for footing. Some of the stands, they worked with around 70 bags of cement for footing, so it might be more for the foundation, we don't know. Of which cement right now, from the quotations that we're having, they are saying cement, it's on around $13 per bag, $13 to $13.50 or $14 per bag. So we don't know, maybe we might find something cheaper. We just hope so, for the good quality cement, of course. Then We also have one raw black plastic and the 250 microns. So for that one, we are yet to buy. So most of the items that we are going to buy, I think I will let you know. Then we also have 5 liter by 10 termite poison. Yeah, we are also yet to buy this one. 15 by 230 brickforce and 12 by 115 brickforce. For both of this, I think the quotation that we got, it was around $36. Yeah, for these two items, it was around $36, of which we found it being very affordable as compared to some other quotations that we were getting from other people. Then gravel, I think I mentioned, he had said 40 cubic, but because we found it very, very cheap, for us it was $50 per 20 cubic. It was a bargain. And I don't know if our gravel kapera, are we ever going to find gravel that is affordable as that? But it was $50 per 20 cubic, so we then bought around 60 cubic. So kapera here about one because I don't know if it's still available at that amount. So this is what we are looking at for material. So yeah, let me just show you our bricks. They arrived yesterday, like I mentioned. So yeah, padiki, that's our motto. We don't have to put ourselves pressure. Remember, even when we bought the stand, we tried by all means to buy using their flexible terms, because at times it's very difficult to have all the money at once. So we don't want to have that pressure. Where can we get the money? Because looking at the amount of money that we have used so far for the bricks, for the gravel, and for my cabin, for the crusher run and everything, I think we are now looking at around 3,000, I think 3,000 something. So it's just a lot. There's also someone who was asking me, Kuti, how is the toilet going to work? Remember, for the cabin, what do you call this? For the cabin, for the toilet, and also for the cabin for the house that is over there, it was 390 for both, including assembling roofing sheets and everything. So we had to buy the plumbing material. So for the plumbing material, remember, this is just a temporary toilet. This is not the actual thing. So this is just the temporary toilet. I'm sure you can see they also did these rough floors just for the toilet to be usable. So this is what we have. So for all the plumbing material, we bought it close to this place. I don't know, because so we bought everything closer. So let me just do my so for this one, we bought the ordinary chamber. That's the one that you just saw. It was around $25. It was around $25. Yes, the ordinary, the general, the ordinary chamber. Then we also have Hanzi 110 millimeter pan collar. It was going for $3. 110 equal T, $4. Then we also have 100 millimeter 90 degrees bend area, $3. Then vent valve, $3. So labor for this, doing the installation of the the plumbing, everything that was needed this side, the person charged us 60. The person charged us $60 for labor. Then he also said, because I'm going to use my other stuff for that. That is 110 end cap by 2. Then 1 bag of cement. He was just going to use some from, I think, from his previous works. I don't know. Then what else? I think 110 millimeter sewer pipe, 6 meter by 81. So this is what we have. So yeah. So this is the connections that were done. Remember, our sewer line is at the back. So this, our solar line is this. Our sewer line is at the back. So yeah, this is how they did the connections. So it's just a temporary thing because you can't do any building if you don't have this this temporary toilet. Okay. So there are also people who are asking, what's happening with the road? Our developer is working on the road currently. I think, I don't know, according to the standards that they want, and also because of the soil type that we have, they want the road to be more stronger and more durable. So they are trying to redo everything to make sure that we as residents, we have something that is strong, permanent, and when they hand over the project, when they hand over the development to us as residents, we are happy. So they are currently working on everything. To me, it shows that they are developers of choice. Where can you get a developer who says, we are saying that the road is not how we wanted it to be. So regaiti nyatsokugadzirai kuitira patozoita hand over, everything will be in place. I believe it's a developer of choice, of which they are not. I think it's only this road that they are trying to rework on, that they are trying to redo. So yeah. So the bricks are now here on site. All the 15,000 bricks from Shumbai, Africa. I'm sure I mentioned they delivered in batches, 5,000 up until they were all here. Because in this community, just to protect the roads and everything, they allow 5,000 up in the at a time. So yeah, that's why they did this. But yeah, we are happy. I'm sure you can see this is exactly what we saw when we did the video with him with that plant Kwataiva. So yeah, I'm happy with their service. The Shumba Africa guys, thank you so much for delivering the best. I'm really happy with what you delivered for me. Yeah. So yeah, those are the bricks that we have. All these bricks. So because of space, we could have ordered more, but unfortunately we can't since the road is being worked on. So Tipa requires, you know, she knows the grape, I don't know the actual name. I can't say kumberi because apazo nyatso access shiri right. So this is our current situation right now, but yeah, we are really happy with the service. Okay, now for the bricks, it was $110 per 1,000 bricks for the blue heart red common, of which, considering some of the bricks that I have been seeing, guys, yeah, people are good. So I think whenever you are having your bricks being delivered, it's best you send someone on site so that they can also see for you. But even though I was on site, I'm happy with what was delivered. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. For the crusher run, we bought it at $50 per cubic. So for the 30 cubic that we bought, it was around $450. Then delivery, the person charged us $45. Kuya now per site, $45 for one trip. So for the 3 loads, 10 cubic, 30 cubic, I think we paid around $135. So yeah, pavakashat. And for the bricks transport to this side, yeah, at least to deliver the copy. But for us, I think for deliver around this area from where they were getting the bricks, it's from around 240 to around 270 now, depending now depending. So yeah, we are happy. So for those who really wanted to see our plan, I think as time goes on, when it's approved, when everything is finalized, I'm going to show you, because remember, you also helped me to come up with what I have. It was some of your ideas, it was some of people from Facebook's ideas that made us to have the final plan yakazomira kuti tiende yakazoenda for approval. Saka yeah, I think I will definitely keep you posted so that you also see even some of the stages, how we are going to get it approved, the rates and everything. I know there are people who have been asking me all this information, but I'm going to share everything that I feel it will be useful to everyone who follows me on this channel, everyone who is thinking of building, and everyone who is ever going to think of building. So next video, I'm going to tell you who our builder is going to be. Yeah, I think I'm going to share with you, because I know many people have been asking, so who's going to build your house, what's happening? But everyone I have featured on this platform, they are really good, and if it was possible to just have them all building the house, I would be happy. But at times it might not be a good thing to do, because each and every builder anenge aine zvake zvanenge achida kuita, and anenge aine vanhu vake vanenge achida kushanda navo, so I can't have them all on this site to work on this property. But whoever I choose, it doesn't mean kuti vamwe vese they are not good. They are really good, and I feel kuti vamwe vanenge vaine mabasa vari kuita, so they won't be able to work on this, I know, but they say they are good, and I'm happy, and I will keep on showcasing what they do, because yeah, I think yeah, you have to know that. So guys, this is all that I wanted to share with you, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. I will definitely keep on giving you more updates so that you know what's happening, where we are, and what we are doing. Up until next time, cheers.